initially, for people that aren't too aware what this even means, can you explain what exactly C60 is and what makes it such a powerful antioxidant? And probably even for people that aren't too aware, what does that even mean by an antioxidant?
Yeah, well, carbon 60 is a carbon molecule of 60 atoms. You can see them also behind me on the share screen. And it's shaped like a mini soccer ball. And it was discovered in 1985 by, and then the researchers for their discovery got a Nobel Prize in 1996. Now, it was a new molecule and nobody knew really a lot about it. It was really hard to make. In fact, still high purity C60 is more valuable by weight than gold. So it's still not easy to make or purify. And so eventually they figured out ways to manufacture it, and they did some test studies. And in one of the test studies, the first ones for toxicity, the C60 doubled the lifespan of test animals. And at that point, there's been lots and lots of other research on C60, and they've had some spectacular health benefits. And I guess I should probably talk about what an antioxidant is. Antioxidants obviously are anti-oxidation. And basically especially our mitochondria, they're the powerhouses of the cell. They produce 65% of the oxidative radicals in your body. And they're things like superoxygen. That's an oxygen with an extra electron. And if they aren't neutralized by an antioxidant, they can go out and do a lot of damage in the cell. They can cross-link proteins, so the protein doesn't work. They can damage DNA, RNA. They tear holes in the membranes of the cells. And especially if you're exercising or have other stress things, and it can just really cause serious damage. And so the body has developed what we call antioxidants to combat this. Like in the mitochondria, there's 2 superoxide dismutase, which takes care of superoxygen, and then there's catalase, which takes care of hydrogen peroxide. You've got glutathione, which is like an overall antioxidant. It takes care of a lot of the hydroxyl radicals. It's one of its things. And then there's CoQ10. And of those 4 antioxidants, only CoQ10 can be taken and get through the digestive system of the stomach. All the others, glutathione, SOD, and catalase, they have to be made in the cell. But C60 can do the job of SOD, catalase, and in a sense, and glutathione. But it's interesting. It's interesting that it's a selective antioxidant, and that is it only interacts with super high energy oxidative radicals like superoxygen, a hydroxyl radical, and we think peroxynitrite.